Created with your students in mind, Readiness Bootcamps evaluate and address students' prerequisite skill gaps with just-in-time remediation. Choose the appropriate bootcamps for your course to prepare students for math, physics, chemistry, or engineering courses. Each bootcamp enables you to assess students' prerequisite math skills needed for your course and provide personalized remediation when students need it most. Each bootcamp includes a student assessment that you can assign before class starts or at the beginning of your semester. The assignment covers a variety of prerequisite learning objectives to assess students on the skills needed for your course. When a student gets an answer wrong, they're provided practice materials incorporated within each question in the form of a Learn It module. Each Learn It is a self-contained lesson that includes lecture videos, narrated text, step-by-step tutorials, and practice questions to support a variety of learning styles. Once the student reviews the Learn It, they will come back to the problem and try it again. The time it takes a student to complete the bootcamp assignment depends on how much remediation and practice each student requires, as well as how many submissions you allow for the assignment. Students can always save the assignment and come back to finish it at a later date. To get started, visit the Readiness Bootcamp page for quick start guides and additional information.